Okay guys, today I'm going to be trying to pick this lock here. This is on loan to me at the moment from Pickwizard. It's a Colt disc lock. It's got a 7-pin tubular type lock on it, and this would fit over the brake disc on a motorbike. So I'll just show you that it is working fine with the key. That's now locked. So what I'll be using today to hopefully open the lock is this KLOM 7-pin tubular pick. So what I'll do first is just loosen up the collar and reset all the pins. That's just by pushing them up all the way as far as they'll go. And then what you want to do is just tap them down flush and then tighten up the collar. Okay, well let's see if we can get it open. And there we go. That was pretty easy. As you can see there, it's the lock is turning. What we can do is just lock it back up. That's now locked. Tighten up the collar a bit, and that should now work as the key would. Okay guys, there we go. That's the Colt disc lock, opened with the KLOM tubular pick. Real great tool. Okay guys, well thanks for watching. Please do keep watching because I've got lots more locks to pick, which are all on loan from Pickwizard at the moment. Okay guys, cheers.